Welcome back to SG Writers. The world of ultra-luxury SUVs is about to get even more interesting. Today, we are looking at one of the most talked-about names surrounding the future of Mercedes-Maybach, the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 900. But before we get into the design, performance, luxury, and technology, there is one important fact to understand. Mercedes-Benz has officially introduced the latest Mercedes-Maybach GLS 680, while the GLS 900 name has not been officially confirmed as a production model by Mercedes-Benz. So, if you see GLS 900 specifications online, some of them may be based on rumors, renderings, or predictions. What we can confidently examine is the latest Maybach GLS technology and what a future flagship above the GLS 680 could potentially bring. And if Mercedes really decides to create a GLS 900, it could become one of the most extreme luxury SUVs ever produced. The Maybach GLS formula is already incredibly impressive. It combines the size and practicality of a full-size SUV with the comfort and craftsmanship normally associated with an ultra-luxury limousine. The latest Maybach GLS makes that philosophy obvious from the first glance. The front end receives a dedicated Maybach radiator grille, giving the SUV an unmistakable identity. The grille features an illuminated outline, while Maybach lettering can be illuminated within the grille frame. The upright Mercedes star on the hood adds another signature detail, while the digital light headlights receive Maybach-specific design elements. The combination of the large grille, sophisticated lighting, and chrome detailing gives the SUV an enormous road presence. This is not a vehicle designed to disappear into traffic. It is designed to announce itself. Move toward the side, and the Maybach identity becomes even stronger. Large forged wheels dominate the profile, with 23-inch wheels available on the latest model. The center Mercedes star can remain upright as the wheel rotates, thanks to a precision ball-bearing mechanism. It is a small detail, but this is exactly how Maybach approaches luxury. Even the things most people will never notice receive attention. Customers can also choose from an extensive range of exterior colors, including exclusive manufacturer options and two-tone combinations. That personalization is one of the biggest advantages of Maybach. The objective is not simply to buy an expensive SUV. The objective is to create a vehicle that feels personally commissioned. Open the door and the experience changes completely. The electric running boards extend automatically, making entry easier and adding another layer of theater. A Maybach emblem can also be projected onto the ground. It is unnecessary. But ultra-luxury vehicles are built around unnecessary details that make everyday experiences feel special. Inside, the latest Mercedes-Maybach GLS becomes a completely different environment. The cabin combines premium leather, carefully selected wood, metal finishes, advanced displays, and sophisticated ambient lighting. Mercedes has introduced additional leather combinations and trim choices, including exclusive Napa leather configurations and special manufacturer interior options. One of the most impressive details is the leather roof liner. Individual leather sections can be precisely cut and assembled by hand, emphasizing the craftsmanship behind the Maybach experience. But the real story begins when you move into the rear. Because the rear passengers are arguably the most important people inside a Maybach GLS. The executive rear seats transform the second row into a private luxury environment. Passengers receive extensive adjustment possibilities, individual climate controls, entertainment displays, and advanced comfort functions. The latest system also expands the massage experience, including massage functions extending toward the calves. This is not simply a rear seat. It is designed to become a personal relaxation space. And Mercedes understands something important. At this level, luxury is not about having more features. It is about making those features feel effortless. The cabin is also engineered for exceptional quietness. Additional acoustic insulation helps reduce unwanted noise, while the powertrain is designed to deliver its performance without overwhelming the passenger compartment. That is especially important because the Maybach GLS is not trying to be a loud performance SUV. It wants to be powerful without being aggressive. And that philosophy continues under the hood. The latest officially confirmed Mercedes-Maybach GLS 680 uses an electrified V8 powertrain. The V8 produces 450 kilowatts, supported by an additional 17 kilowatt boost from the integrated starter generator. Maximum torque reaches 850 Newton meters. Those numbers make the Maybach GLS seriously powerful. But the important thing is how that power is delivered. A Maybach should not feel like a vehicle that is constantly trying to prove how fast it is. Instead, acceleration should feel effortless. Push the accelerator and the SUV responds immediately, but the occupants remain surrounded by calmness. The 48-volt mild hybrid system helps improve responsiveness and efficiency while supporting functions such as energy recuperation and smoother engine operation. Mercedes has also worked to reduce vibration and improve refinement. And this brings us to one of the most important components of the entire Maybach experience: the suspension. The latest Maybach GLS uses aeromatic air suspension as standard. For customers wanting even greater sophistication, e-active body control is available. This system constantly monitors the vehicle and road conditions, adjusting the suspension to improve comfort and stability. Mercedes says the system can respond to driving situations up to 1,000 times per second. That is an extraordinary level of control. The system can also reduce body movement during acceleration, braking, and cornering. There is even a curve function designed to reduce the lateral forces passengers feel during cornering. This demonstrates the real Maybach philosophy. The suspension is not primarily designed to make the driver feel faster. It is designed to make the passenger feel better. That is an important difference. A performance SUV tells you what the road is doing. A Maybach tries to make you forget the road exists. And technology is becoming just as important as suspension and leather. The latest Maybach GLS features Mercedes-Benz's newest digital architecture and MBUX technology. The interior can feature a large digital display arrangement with three 12.3-inch screens beneath a continuous glass surface. The system provides navigation, entertainment, vehicle controls, and connectivity through a highly integrated interface. But the next major step is artificial intelligence. Mercedes is integrating more natural conversational interaction into its MBUX experience. The objective is simple. Instead of speaking like you are giving commands to a machine, you can interact more naturally with the vehicle. Ask for information. Change settings. Control the cabin. Find destinations. Manage entertainment. The vehicle becomes more like a digital assistant. And for a future GLS 900, this technology could become even more advanced. If Mercedes eventually positions a GLS 900 above the GLS 680, customers will expect more than another badge. They will expect a completely elevated experience. That could mean more advanced electrification, more power, more silent operation, more rear seat technology, more personalization, more sophisticated driver assistance, and potentially even greater integration between artificial intelligence and the cabin. But there is one thing the GLS 900 would not necessarily need. It would not need an absurd horsepower figure simply for marketing. The future of ultra-luxury performance is becoming more intelligent. Instant electric torque, smooth power delivery, near-silent operation, predictive suspension, advanced software. That is where a future Maybach flagship could make the biggest difference. Imagine a GLS that can anticipate road imperfections before you reach them. Imagine the rear cabin automatically adjusting the temperature based on passenger preferences. Imagine the seats remembering individual profiles. Imagine the lighting, music, and climate changing automatically depending on who enters the vehicle. That is the direction the luxury industry is moving. And Maybach is perfectly positioned to take advantage of it. Another important factor is customization. A GLS 900 would almost certainly need to go beyond ordinary factory specifications if Mercedes ever decides to produce one. MANUFACTUR already allows Maybach customers to choose highly individual exterior and interior combinations. A future flagship could take that philosophy even further. Unique colors, special leather, exclusive wood, personalized embroidery, custom rear seat environments, and limited production configurations. The result would be a vehicle that feels less like something selected from a showroom and more like a personal commission. But can the Maybach GLS actually compete with the world's most expensive luxury SUVs? That depends on what you want. A Rolls-Royce emphasizes ultimate craftsmanship and traditional luxury. Bentley combines luxury with a stronger performance identity. Mercedes-Maybach takes a different approach. It combines German engineering, advanced technology, powerful performance, and limousine-style comfort inside an SUV package. And that combination is extremely difficult to ignore. The Maybach GLS also has another advantage. It is still an SUV. You have a commanding driving position, all-wheel drive capability, large dimensions, practicality, modern driver assistance technology, and the ability to travel comfortably over long distances. The latest Maybach GLS even retains serious capability beyond normal paved roads. Its advanced suspension system includes off-road functions and a rocking feature designed to help free the vehicle from loose surfaces. That versatility makes the Maybach GLS different from a traditional limousine. It can be a chauffeur vehicle in the morning, a long-distance cruiser in the afternoon, and an enormous luxury SUV for a weekend journey. That is the real strength of the platform. Now imagine that same formula with a GLS 900 badge. The expectations would be enormous. The vehicle would have to feel visibly different. More exclusive, more technologically advanced, more luxurious, and potentially more powerful. But most importantly, it would have to justify the name. Because the number 900 creates expectations. If Mercedes ever uses it, customers will expect a flagship above the GLS 680. They will expect extraordinary refinement. They will expect effortless performance. They will expect a rear cabin that rivals the world's best luxury cars. And they will expect craftsmanship that makes the SUV feel genuinely special. That is why the GLS 900 remains such an interesting possibility. The latest Maybach GLS 680 has already created the foundation. The electrified V8 is here. The advanced suspension is here. The executive rear seats are here. The digital technology is here. The customization is here. The craftsmanship is here. So Mercedes does not need to reinvent the formula. It simply needs to push it further. And that may be the most exciting part. Because the next generation of luxury is no longer just about leather and horsepower. It is about intelligence. It is about silence. It is about personalization. It is about technology working in the background without constantly demanding attention. The ultimate luxury vehicle should not make you work harder. It should make everything easier. That is exactly what the Maybach GLS is trying to accomplish. So, is the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 900 the new king of ultra-luxury SUVs? For now, the honest answer is that the GLS 900 name remains unconfirmed as an official production model. But the latest Mercedes-Maybach GLS 680 already shows what Mercedes is capable of. It offers enormous presence, a powerful electrified V8, 850 Newton-meters of torque, advanced suspension, executive rear seating, high-end craftsmanship, sophisticated digital technology, and a level of customization designed for customers who do not want an ordinary luxury vehicle. If Mercedes eventually turns the GLS 900 into reality, it could become something even more impressive. A flagship above the flagship. A luxury SUV designed not simply to transport passengers, but to create an environment around them. And that is the real future of Maybach. More power when you need it. More silence when you want it. More intelligence working in the background. More craftsmanship in every surface. And more personalization than ever before. The luxury SUV battle is no longer simply about who has the biggest engine. It is about who can create the most complete experience. Mercedes-Maybach already understands that. And if the GLS 900 eventually becomes official, the world will be watching closely. Because at this level, there is no room for ordinary. Everything has to be extraordinary. From the grille to the wheels. From the leather to the screens. From the engine to the suspension. From the front seat to the rear executive seat. Every detail has to communicate one message. This is not just another SUV. This is Maybach. And if Mercedes decides to put GLS 900 on the back of one of these machines, it will have to prove that the number represents more than power. It will have to represent the next level of luxury. This is SG Riders. For the latest luxury cars, future SUVs, performance machines, and automotive technology, stay connected with SG Riders. Because the future of the automobile is changing faster than ever. And the next king of ultra-luxury may not simply be the fastest vehicle on the road. It may be the one that makes the journey feel completely effortless.